Hi everyone, are you interested in the same custom parts that I built for cruise missile? Don't forget to check out supercruises.com if you would like your own versions of the same parts I used on my car.
Okay, so one thing I've had people bother me about over the last couple of years was how to get this off. Basically, you're going to slide this white clip over, push in on the connector toward the valve, squeeze the white clip, and then the connector pops right off. A lot of people have trouble getting this thing out of here. And then you have your 3 bolts on the valve. Okay, the next thing you're going to need to do is basically get this plunger out. I've had this apart so many times it should just pop right out. Don't lose any of these pieces. I always leave them with my HPRV stuff. I don't like the Go Fast Bits box because it literally has a hole in the bottom and it can fall out. So the Go Fast Bits version comes with a much stronger spring for their version of the plunger. This is their plunger. See the little O-ring? I can't stress this enough that this does not open and close, and I really hope people understand that and why it's a problem. You want to basically orient this so you have your connector sticking outward so you can get to it. I mean, you could put this on pretty much in different directions. You don't want to make that mistake. And be careful, because when you're putting this in the car, this could actually fall out and you could lose your spring. Okay, the new valve is going in. Just make sure to aim it this way. I mean, this thing sounds good when it opens.